Unit 7 Nature Chapter 13 Air, Water and Weather Important terms: emit, to throw out; condensation, when warm air meets the cold air, the water vapor turns into tiny drops of water. Water cycle, the process of changing the form of liquid, gas and solid, ice, water. Breeze, cool wind, thunder, the sound after the flash of lightning. Air, a mixture of many gases. Monsoon, rainy season. Rain cycle, the process of evaporation, cloud formation and rainfall. We are surrounded by the air which cannot be seen. It can only be felt when it moves or blows as breeze. It does not have its own shape. That is why it takes the shape of the container in which it is placed. When we blow air into balloon, air takes the shape of balloon. Hot air in the balloon makes them light and the balloon rises up. Wind. Wind is fast-moving air. Moving air does a lot of work. Sailboats move with the help of winds. When we fly kites, we see them move up higher and higher with the force of the wind. Windmills also run due to it. If the wind blows fast, wet clothes dry up quickly. Composition of air. Air is composed of invisible gases like oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. It also contains dust particles. The oxygen present in the air is very important for all, including human beings. They breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants just do the opposite. They breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Everything needs oxygen to burn. We need clean and fresh air. The air gets polluted by harmful gases. Vehicles and factories emit harmful gases after burning petrol or diesel in their engines. This air causes pollution. Pollution makes our environment unsafe to live in. We suffer from cough, asthma, eye irritation, and lung disease because of the polluted air. Pollution harms plants as well as animals. Water. 2/3 of our earth is covered with water. The earth is also called blue planet. Water takes the shape in various forms on the earth, as clouds in the sky, waves in the sea, and as snow on the mountain tops. Water changes its forms continuously. Properties of water. Water can exist in 3 forms: solid, ice, liquid, and gas, vapor. Normally, water exists in liquid form. It changes into vapor when heated at 100 degrees Celsius. It becomes ice when temperature reaches below 0 degrees Celsius. Ice, solid, has a definite shape. Water, liquid, does not have any definite shape. It takes the shape of the container into which it is poured. Ice, liquid, vapor. Water cycle. Due to the heat of the sun, the water from rivers, lakes and seas gets converted into vapor. The water vapor moves upwards. This process is called evaporation. Many such drops come together to form clouds. These drops cool through the process of condensation. When these drops become heavy, they fall back on the earth's surface as rain. This process is called water cycle. Water cycle. Rain clouds, cloud formation, evaporation, transpiration, precipitation, groundwater, soil, ocean. Weather. Weather is the state of the air at a particular place or time. Weather changes almost every day. The change of weather depends on the sun, wind, clouds and rain. Weather differs from place to place. Factor scope. At some places such as the coastal areas, it is neither cold nor hot. Sunny days. Sunny days are warm and bright. The sky is free from clouds. Cloudy days. On cloudy days, the sun is not visible. It shows sign of a storm with heavy rain and strong winds. Windy days. Strong winds blow on windy days. Sometimes it also rains. Cyclones are caused when wind blows very fast. It generally occurs in coastal areas. Rainy days. Rainy days are hot and humid. We generally carry umbrellas or raincoats to protect ourselves from rain. Sunny day, cloudy day, windy day, rainy day. Seasons. When any one type of weather pattern continues for a few months, we call it season. There are three main seasons in our country. They are summer season, rainy season, and winter season. Spring and autumn comes in between these seasons. Spring, summer, rainy, autumn, winter. Factoscope. Almost two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered with water, but all this cannot be used for drinking purpose. Seawater is salty, but the water of rivers and lakes is not salty. It can be used for drinking purpose. Summer season. The sun shines very brightly during summer. This season is very hot. Hot dry air blows throughout the day. Rainy season. Rainy season is associated with lots of rains, dark clouds, strong winds, thunder, and lightning. When it rains, the rivers and wells get filled up. The plants grow green. Heavy rain brings flood, which damages property and lives. Winter season. The days are short and the nights are long. During winter season, the mornings are cold and misty. Cold wind blows throughout the day. Woolen clothes are worn by people during the season. The average condition of weather over many years is called climate of a region. Teacher's note. 1. The concept of water cycle may be taught with a chart. 2. The reasons behind seasonal changes could be explained with the help of examples from our lives. 3. Simple phenomena like drying a wet cloth under the sun and using a fan can be explained to the students. Fact 5. The purest form of water is rainwater. Let's summarize. 1. When any weather condition continues for a few months, it is called season. 2. Weather may be sunny, windy, or cloudy. 3. Liquid. Water has no shape of its own. 4. Two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 5.